Welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S95 Pro and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go up to the second from the left button, so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage with settings button. So let's pick it to open them, and here in capture category at the third place we have volume key functions, so let's pick it to decide between volume, shoot which is now, or zoom. Let me change it now to zoom to show you how it works different. Let's move back to camera now and let me try to use volume keys once again. And as you can see now, I can easily get closer to my subject and also move back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume buttons. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.